Midwest Orthopaedics at Rush is a truly unique environment to get hand, wrist, and elbow care. Very rarely are you going to have the density of experts in a small area that are so collaborative and so high-powered and so motivated to make sure that you get back to where you want to be.
We have a special group of doctors. Each has their own area of expertise. We work together as a team.
It's almost like getting 4 or 5 opinions for the price of one.
You're literally getting the experience of 100 years of orthopedic practice.
Some of my mentors who are 30 years older than me, they are always trying to get better, and you don't see that in a lot of places.
It's the total package.
Hi, my name is Mark Cohen.
John Fernandez.
Nitin Goyal.
Xavier Simcock.
Rob Wysocki.
And I am a hand, wrist, and elbow surgeon here at Midwest Orthopaedics at Rush.
When you compare all the different specialties in orthopedics, there's no doubt that hand, wrist, and elbow is the most complex or the most complicated.
There's a tremendous necessity for attention to detail.
It's a balance between tendons, bones, joints, nerve issues, and so getting all of those to come together and work in concert is a really fun thing to do.
We see fractures, we see nerve problems, we see tendonitis, we see arthritis. In terms of injury, the most common, of course, is a fall.
It could be a work injury from a machine. It could be something that's degenerative that happens over time, and it can happen at any age group. Unfortunately, some injuries can be more significant than you would think.
And if there is a subtle fracture and it involves the joint, the difference between being able to care for that immediately versus 4 or 6 weeks later is massive.
Why is it important to get best care first? If you're having somebody build a house for you, or if you're having somebody do some type of a project for you, and it doesn't get done right, the revision is never going to be the same. So it is very important to get it right the first time.
One of the things I never get sick of hearing from patients is how incredibly efficient and dedicated we are to the care we give here. It's from the very first step when people come into the office to know that they're well streamlined, that they're going to have an on-time appointment, that they're going to be able to see occupational therapy, get x-rays, potentially get MRIs and CT scans the same day. We are incredibly fortunate because we have designed the system from the ground up.
When a patient calls with a particular problem, we try to triage right from the first phone call to our office to ensure that we don't miss the window needed to treat a given problem. We work as a team. So you don't get one doctor. If you have a complex or an interesting or a difficult problem, you sometimes get the opinions of 5 specialists. And as part of our practice, we have an obligation to teach younger doctors. Having younger doctors that we're training requires us to continue to think through problems.
We kind of have to be teachers with our patients every day when we see them. It's our job to teach them about their condition, but that's different for every patient.
It's my job to teach you the risk and benefits of different treatments so the decision becomes a natural one. And so not only is it the excellence that we're providing in terms of the academics, we'll call it, I also stress the human side, because patients are coming in, yeah, they want excellent care, but they also want to be treated like a human being.
It amazes me how adaptable the hand and wrist is when people are motivated to return to a certain livelihood or something for their family or a sport. They find a way.
I have the privilege of being able to help reframe a bad situation into a situation that can be helped.
We have people come all the time from different states, from different countries. I saw a woman yesterday who reminded me I saw her uncle from Belize several years ago. And I think it's because we have a unique experience here. From the first phone call you make to our office, you can tell, I would hope, that it's different.
No one is going to work harder to try to get you what you need and to get you the best possible outcome.